Good morning, everyone. This is just a quick tutorial to expand on one of my last videos about some of the accessibility options in Microsoft Word. This one specifically is about tables and how to format those and things you can do with those to make them more accessible and for screen readers and for other things. Now, the formatting options here, these are specific to Microsoft Word, or at least the process we're going through here, but they're very similar in other products such as iWork, Google Docs, things like that. So most of the other Office suites will be very similar. They all have kind of their own nuances to them, but don't worry, it's all about the same. So here in Microsoft Word, I've gone ahead and made a document. Now, all the accessibility options are typically available in the Review tab. So what you want to do is, with your document kind of already formatted, you can, again, going back to my last video, you can check accessibility from the Review tab. So we can click on check accessibility again. It didn't find any issues. This is a very simple, straightforward document. There's no images. I've already got my headings and subheadings specified here. Pretty much nothing but text. So there really shouldn't be a lot to find. I can't do the screen reader. I wanted to do that, but since I'm using multiple monitors, it's not going to actually read that for you. This is something you can definitely do on your own, though, to test it out. So when you make a table in Word, it reads it left to right. There we go. It reads them left to right, just like you would on a page. So it's going to read column. It's going to read, column 1, row 1, and then column 2, row 1, and then column 1, row 2, column 2, row 2, things like that. The only way you can really make it do something differently is to split those into separate columns. You may need to do that. It would be very rare. But what's really important is in a table, just like an image, you can provide alt text. And you do that by clicking the little blank box in the bottom right hand corner of your table. You can simply right click on that, click on Table Properties. And you see here, I've already added this alt text. This is a table about alt text and a good description. Not just, don't repeat your title, but you do want to say, here's the gist of the information in this table. Or even if you had a graphic like a pie chart, you could do the same thing with those. Those are images typically, but on your tables, it's very important to kind of describe what's going on in that. So this table will be read left to right. But as the screen reader gets down here, because these are two separate tables, it's going to read column 1, row 1, and then column 1, row 2. Then it's going to skip over to the second table and it's going to read column 1, row 1, column 1, row 2, just because there is no column 2. Now you could do that. You could have multiple columns. Just understand that Word is specifically going to read them left to right, and it's kind of just set on that. So if you have any questions about this process or for anything else you want to see specifically in the future, please let me know. I'm happy to help. Thank you.